Alright guys, 2001 Chevy Corvette Z06. It's got Texas speed cam, forged heads, long tube headers, high flow cats, and a Corsa Xtreme system. Over the rear axle, and then there's the Corsa Xtreme there and there. He brought it to us because his Corsa Xtreme cracked, so we fixed it for him, as you guys can see, on each side. It's just got weak points from all the power that it puts out. And it made the tips bend down a little bit, so we adjusted that for him too. As you guys can see, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. He just bought it. He traded his Charger in for it, his Scat back. There it is. It's about 600 horse. So we'll let you guys hear it. See what you guys think of it. All right, guys. So the Z06 2001 is done. Hey, that rhymes. Let's show you guys what we've done. Still got the Cook's long tubes there and there. Still got the Cook's high flow cats right there. Cook's X pipe, 3-inch piping. And then where it flanges, we ran 2.5 out the back for clearance purposes. There and there. All the way tucked and clean. And then we straight piped it. Took away the mufflers. Did custom hangers there and there. We took off this whole contraption right here, as you guys can see. And installed new 4-inch tips to finish it off. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. It lost a lot of weight. We did liposuction, exhaust liposuction on it. And got it done. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. Very nice. I know you guys are waiting to hear it, so here we go. Stay tuned. You know it's gonna get it, isn't it? Wow. Wow. Your sound decibels? Again? Basically a legal street car. First start after straight pipe. Look at his face. You don't believe it. What was the cam that's in it?
Brian Tooley Racing, stage 2.
This is idle now. We're at an 83. Let it warm up a little bit. Again? That sounds good. That sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 121. Yeah, I love it. That's why I have to close my ear after a while. Rev it high. 122. You have to give it one final rev like that, you know, to hear it. You happy?
Oh yeah, I'm happy.
He's happy. Perfect state. It's clean, man. The car is really, really clean. You gotta ceramic coat it? Bring out that shine.
It's got a light ceramic coat right
Yeah. Yeah, it's a 6-speed, guys. Sounds so good. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. The job's getting better the warmer it's getting. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Damn! That was nice. Really nice. Look at that, man. He's clean, too. Look at the inside of this thing. 42,000 miles, all original. Other than the cam and stuff. But yeah, the interior is all original. Very nice. I like the two-tone on it. I used to not like Corvettes. They're growing on me more and more. The more I hear it, the more I want one now. I love it. Enjoy it, man. Thank you. There we go. What a beautiful sound! I love it. I hope you guys like it too. Enjoy.